So, what's really bothering you?
David and I are going to have a baby.
Oh, Tracy. I think I'm not the right person to talk about this.
I hate this city.
Well, if you're thinking... I had a relationship once. It was very much like a marriage. We got pregnant. This was a long time ago. I remember waking up one morning and going to work. Just another day like any other. Except it was the day after I knew about the pregnancy. And then I felt this fear for the first time ever. And I remember thinking, how can I bring a person, a child, into a world like this? How can a person grow with all this around them? So I told her I didn't want to have it. And over the next few weeks, I just wore her down.
I want to have children, but it just...
Okay. I can tell you now that I'm positive I made the right decision. I'm positive. But there's not a day that passes that I don't wish I had made a different choice. If you decide not to have the baby, I mean, that's your decision. Then never tell David. And I mean that. Never. The relationship will wither and die. But if you do decide to have the baby, at that very moment, when you're absolutely sure, tell him. And then, spoil that kid every chance you get. And that's all the advice I can give you, Tracy. I don't even know you.